right, that was Chris talking about down at the shore, but right now more severe weather in the area.
Yeah, another tornado warning. Let's go back over to Seth with the very latest on that. Cecily.
Rick and Shari, this is really the same cell that produced the earlier tornado warning. It's just advanced to the east. So this is kind of on the edge of our viewing area. Parts of Mercer, Monmouth, and Ocean County until 6 o'clock. That tornado warning, that's about 12 miles now east of Trenton. It's moving east at about 25 miles per hour. The same cell earlier that produced the potential for that possible tornado, now it looks like it's just advancing to the east. So what happens if you live in this area? You need to seek shelter immediately. Please avoid windows. Go to the lowest floor of your home. If you have a basement, that's really the best place to be. If you don't have an basement, an interior hall or a bathroom, but again, as many layers as possible between you and the outdoors. That cell, it's moving east at about 25 miles per hour. Lots of lightning strikes, lots of heavy downpours, and the potential for winds, even the straight line winds with this particular line, they've actually increased up to about 70 miles per hour. So anyone in the path of the storm, you really do need to get out inside right away. So this is the particular cell that we've been tracking. It moved out of Bucks County. It moved through Mercer County, Burlington County. Now it's moving into Ocean County. So if you live in Manalapan, if you live in Tennant, Freehold, Burlington Heights, or Colts Neck, you do want to seek shelter immediately. This is the part of the storm that we're seeing some potential rotation. In addition to that, I wouldn't be surprised if you're also experiencing some large hail with this. There's a lot of energy in the atmosphere, so it's unleashing some pretty intense thunderstorms, a lot of lift with this, and the potential for some twisting in the atmosphere. Radar indicated we haven't seen a funnel cloud, but this cell, kind of the apex of this line of storms, has been causing some trouble since shortly after 5 o'clock, when we did see some potential rotation in parts of Burlington County. Now it's moving into Ocean County. So this shows the relative velocity. Again, what this is, it's a tool for meteorologists to see the wind direction. Where you have the green, it's the wind that's rushing towards the radar site. Where you have the red, it's the wind that's rushing away. When you get the two of them right together, there is the possibility of some of that rotation. This shows near Crestwood Village, there could be some of that gate-to-gate shear, and that likely will be pushing to the east at about 25 miles per hour as that particular cell, along with the line of thunderstorms, continues to head towards the coast. So we do have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings, and again, that tornado warning that includes parts of northern Ocean County. This is kind of on the edge of our viewing area. That continues to push to the east. Now, this is some of the radar indicated a little bit farther to the south. We have had reports of a funnel cloud spotted, a water spout spotted on the Delaware Bay heading towards Cape May. You are under a severe thunderstorm warning, and you can see lots of thunder and lightning. Chris is giving me some information. Okay, here we go. So this now, we're talking about at the top of the 5 o'clock that there was a tornado warning on the border of Kent and Sussex County, Delaware. Now we do have a confirmation there was a confirmed tornado 3 miles east northeast of Milford, Delaware. Now this is Sussex County. That particular cell is moving out of Delaware. It's moving towards New Jersey right now. So you can see it's right over Cape May. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect, but we've had reports of a water spout spotted on the Delaware Bay. So please, if you live in Cape May County, seek shelter immediately. You can see that we're looking at numerous lightning strikes continuing across Sussex County, Delaware, the mouth of the Delaware Bay into Cape May, with that potential confirmed tornado earlier near Milford. Also, some heavy downpours, some hail is possible. The severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect all along the coast. I want to go ahead and show you the warnings right now. I'm just backing up. This is a tornado warning that we're talking about that includes parts of northern Ocean County. If you live here, you need to seek shelter immediately. This is the same cell that was spotted earlier near Levittown, continuing to push to the east ahead of that line of thunder and lightning with that cold front. So please, if you live in this area with a tornado warning that is in effect until 6 o'clock, seek shelter immediately. I know I'm repeating myself for people who are just viewing right now. You want to go ahead, maybe turn your TV up, go into your basement. If you don't have a basement, just go to the lowest floor of your home, avoid windows, get in an interior closet or interior bathroom, as many layers between you and the outdoors as possible, since when you get a possible tornado or even straight line winds, you do have the potential for a lot of wind damage, so you want to stay away from the windows. This is the cell that we're tracking. It continues to move east at about 25 miles per hour near Millstone, Manalapan, Freehold, and this is, you can see a little bit of that hook, and this is an indication that the radar shows you of the wraparound winds possibly reaching the surface, possibly spawning that tornado. That tornado warning is in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. So near Millstone, near Manalapan, this is where we're seeing the biggest potential for the tornado. Perrineville, Freehold, Burlington Heights, Shacks Corner, and Colts Neck, all in the path of the storm system as it continues to push to the east ahead of a cold front. This is what's bringing us the end, has brought us the end to the heat wave. Much cooler air is on the way, but typically when you move out of hot, humid air to cool, drier air, it creates some violence in the atmosphere. That's exactly what's happening right now. This shows the relative velocity just to the west of Perrineville. This is probably where we have that best gate-to-gate shear, the best indication that there is some rotation in the atmosphere. Perrineville, if you live here, please seek shelter right away. Again, Freehold, Burlington Heights, all in the path of the storm system. This shows a pretty good hook with the radar. Also, heavy downpours, that rain falling at the rate of about 2 to 3 inches per hour. Vivid lightning, very loud thunder. Near Millstone is where we have the center of that particular cell. This is all along the line that continues to stretch a little bit farther to the south, all the way down across the mouth of Delaware Bay. Why don't we go a little bit wider, Chris, and we can show what's going on, because this is the same storm system that rolled through Philadelphia about 45 minutes ago. It continues to push to the east. It should be reaching the coast in Ocean County probably within the next half hour. It's a solid line of thunderstorms moving across interior South Jersey, then moving towards Cape May. Again, we did have that confirmed tornado in Sussex County, Delaware, near Milford. And that particular cell, let's go ahead and show Cape May, because I know this is time of the year. A lot of people are already going to the beaches, and this is some pretty dangerous weather. You can see the lightning that is just really blossoming across parts of Cumberland and Cape May County. We could do a query and show you just how many lightning strikes we've seen over the past 15 minutes. And this is an indication of all the energy in the atmosphere that's just being unleashed right now. And that's why we're getting the heaviest downpours, the potential for flooding rains, and we've already had 3 tornado warnings tonight so far. The number of strikes, and this has really blossomed over the past 15 minutes, 222 lightning strikes. So this is a very dangerous storm. This should be pushing off the coast probably within the next half hour in Cape May. However, it's lagging a little bit from